Is the law of attraction not working for you or not working fast enough? Do you seem to have some kind of a clog in your law of attraction flow of energy into your life? We can help you with this video. We'll tell you why it's not working for you. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. Want to remind you, if you haven't been there yet, miraclemindhypnosis.com. Miraclemindhypnosis.com. We have a 40-minute audio for you, absolutely free. And this is a game changer in your life. This audio program is a hypnotic program using the latest technologies. It'll bring miracles in your life in the area of money, love, and health. So go there, claim your free copy. There's nothing to buy. Miraclemindhypnosis.com. Hey, we're talking about why some people believe that the law of attraction is not working. Now, let me clarify this to begin with. The law of attraction is always working. It's like the law of gravity. It's always working. So if you're getting a lot of BS into your life, if you're getting a lot of what you don't want into your life, you are attracting it. At some level, your fears, your doubts, your disbelief, whatever it is sending a counter intention. In other words, you have an intention to attract a new job, but you also have a fear of not being qualified, perhaps, or that there aren't enough jobs out there. Every time you hear someone say something negative, like, well, the economy's bad, there's not enough jobs, that stuff's going into your subconscious mind. And if you believe it, it becomes your reality and it becomes what you attract. So let's get on with it and share some important reasons why the law of attraction may not be working for you or working as fast as you would like it to. It's not happening. It's not working. Every time you say that, you might say, well, I've been scripting for a month now and nothing has happened yet. That is a negative affirmation. That is your true belief that nothing has happened yet. And so no matter what you do, for how long you do it, you will always attract nothing is happening yet. That becomes your belief. So what I like to say is, I've been scripting for a month on building a new business, and all kinds of things are happening that I can't even see. I feel everything coming together. I am absolutely certain that my scripting, that my affirmations, that my creative visualization is taking root. I choose to believe something is happening. So by my very choice of believing that something is taking place, I'm attracting something taking place. And that's how you and the infinite field of potential work hand in hand as co-creators of your reality. Number 2, focusing on what you don't want. I don't want this. I don't want that. I don't want this. So this happens an awful lot in relationships where there's been a breakup and one person has started dating someone else. The person who is used to be in the relationship is looking at that situation and all they're focusing on is, I don't want him dating someone else. I don't want her dating someone else. And that's a negative. And guess what you're attracting? More dating. Oh yeah. You're attracting more of the same. So we never want to focus on what we don't want. We want to take what we don't want, understand what you don't want, that's good, and invert it to what you do want. And train your mind to think in terms of what I do desire, what I do absolutely crave in my life. Well, high flyers, one of the things people do, and it's very counterproductive, is that they start looking to manifest to fix things in their life. I know when my life took a crash and, I lost my business, I lost a lot of money, lost my home, lost my security, lost my way, and immediately I began using my knowledge to fix my life. But that isn't how it works. And so the more I tried to fix my life, the more I was stating to the universe that my life was broken. And so the universe kept giving me more of a broken life. Because that's what the universe does. It matches what you are, not what you want. So we really cannot manifest to fix our life. We can manifest to optimize our life, to take our life to the next level. Always believe from the center of your heart that good things are coming your way, and that you are moving in a direction where wonders and miracles are flowing into your life easily and without effort. So we don't want to look at the negative. We want to focus on the positive. What is it that we want to improve in our life? What is it we want to become? If you remember in another video, I talked about manifesting to become, manifesting to have, manifesting to be. What is it you want to do or be? What is it you want to have? What is it you want to become? I get up every day and I say, what can I become today that I wasn't prepared to become yesterday? I wasn't prepared to do this video yesterday, but I'm prepared today. And so it's as Tony Robbins says, he calls it CANI, constant and never-ending improvement. I'm looking to always improve who I am in every area of my life. That's the strongest and most powerful form of manifestation you can engage in. Well, high flyers, one of the big detriments to manifesting, and one of the big reasons why people don't manifest what they really desire, is that you always have a choice. Okay, look at the choice. You can operate and try to manifest out of fear. I need to manifest this or I won't have my rent paid. Or you can manifest out of love. I am in love with what I'm doing. I'm in love with who I'm doing it with. I'm in love with my home. I'm in love with my world. I know that everything good is coming my way because I am operating my life from a basis and principle of love. So the choice is yours, fear or love. And when you operate based on fear, you're operating again on what you don't want. You're operating on negatives, and those are lower vibrations. And yes, you can have some successes attracting that way, but not in the long run. You won't have constant success. And that's really what you desire, is constant success, constantly developing your ability to become a master of manifestation. Write it down below. Oh yeah, I am a master of manifestation. And believe it. Don't just write it, believe it. This is your scripting. I am a master of manifestation. Well, we can also choose, again, 2 more choices. We can choose to attempt to manifest from a position of lack, or we can attempt to manifest from a position of abundance. Always, always believe that you are abundant. I don't care if you only have 2 pennies in your pocket. That's 2 pennies more than some people have. That's the beginning of a seed. That seed can be planted. You can give those two pennies away, or 2 cents away, or 2 dimes away, or $2 away, and I've done it, to somebody more in need than you. And it's like planting a seed, because it tells the universe, I'm abundant. I'm filled with prosperity. And guess what the universe gives you? More of the same. So choose to operate from lack, and the universe will give you more lack. Or operate from abundance, and the universe will give you more of the same. High flyers, it's important that you are consistent with your manifesting. Some people say, well, Robert, I was doing my exercises, I was doing my affirmation, I was scripting, I was visualizing, but I've kind of just stopped doing it. And their theory is that by stopping, they're somehow letting it go. There's a difference. I do my scripting in the morning. I don't do it every morning, but I do my scripting in the morning. I do my affirmations in the morning. But I don't sit there all day wondering when are they going to work. I just go about my day. That's how you let it go and let it flow. You just do it. You trust the process. You enjoy the process. Matter of fact, I love the process of manifesting. But when I'm done, it's over with, and I'm on to something else. Now, of course, I'm monitoring my thoughts all day long, because my thoughts determine what I manifest. But if I really engage consistently, day after day, in empowering my mind with positive, resourceful, optimistic, abundance thoughts, it becomes easier and easier every day. Oh yeah, it becomes easier and easier to manifest what you truly desire. These roadblocks that I have given you today, they don't need to stand in your way anymore. Look at, I know that if you're on this channel, you're here for a reason. There's some cosmic reason beyond my understanding why you and I are connected. I believe you are a manifester. I believe within you there is a master manifester. And that good, great, wonderful, incredible, astonishing things are coming your way. Have a great day, because you absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye.